So my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm going to share with you people, and we're going to run through that one quick and fast. You know what I mean? So one of the things I want to share with you my people, I see Cmr Bredda named Shavon. But 2 days now I see some things with him circulate the media and people have them opinion on it. You know what I mean? And more go to the latest, share the latest with Uno, and also go to my opinion. But also have Shebada talk about the same thing with this youth here. And I think he might talk about some other things. I think with Brit and Zozo, is it? Yeah, him give him opinion on certain things. You know, Shebada talk about some, you know what I mean, any little thing in the space certain way, him give him opinion on it. So we're going to hear some of my opinions to them, right? Also, we have TikTok live. Yeah. Talk about the situation to my people with our people them. So I'm gonna make you hear what them have to say. Pops YG, you know my people, want a campaign for like take down the Ants family. Him no want to see them no more. You know what I mean? When tell me if a bad man or what, I'm gonna share it with Uno. Seeing Bushamark and blame them, link up, right? So me have a bunch of things with people. I don't know if I left out nothing, but we are going to get united now and maybe add more things as we go along. So, make we kick it off.
You see that paper towel, yeah? And that we do with boy, we run picnic joke. And send them out. Make jungle justice angle them. You hear me? Now, Cmr Bredda, see him look at data. I been over, eat. And before him said to the little daughter, say, yo, darling, get up and start, or even not even say nothing because she's a child. Not you scratch that. You don't even have to tell her to get up from the stance where she in her. Because that not supposed to be in your mind. If you even tell your daughter, say, get up and sit down or whatever the case might be. Because she there around you or somebody else where she feel protected around. That's what kids naturally feel protected around their parent or parents. And instead of you not even make the remarks, you tell your daughter about some backshot business after you just bust a case and come out. I better than they give Ninja Man and keep you to Bumbucklad. The man them should have fucked you in a Bumbucklad prison. And that's how I feel about you. And cut out all your tongue too. As some feel, we don't run pity joke, and then we hear somebody talk about a prank, or cut it out, or something like that. Let me tell you something, man. The whole of the family, you know, the family is a bumbuckler crosses on the net, you know. We should have one eraser, one little rubber something. We just rub out the Cmr family. Because the whole of the salt no bumbuckler. Really and truly. I may have 2 pitney. I may tell you, say, as a father, we don't run pitney joke. You hear me? Me say, right now, me a chat about this and the whole of my skin. Watch out, be a sweat. That be a cold sweat on my skin, brother. Be a cold sweat. The whole of the ear them turn up on my skin. 5-year-old little girl. And you run them kind of joke there? People, me I come over TikTok for the whole day because that just, me don't even know what else to say about this.
My daughter about backers. Zine? So, see that all over? My mother, me I say what kind of argument that? Like, what we are talking about? Because I watch you see on the internet and my video and I make a video to say, if you can know what I say for me to say. Either all over people, I say things to me, my mother has things to her. Alright, listen careful now guys. So if you don't listen to the video, what that hear me say? It's never, the video is not all about my daughter. You see me? What I say is not about my daughter. You see me? It's not about my daughter. The fact that is because the video turned on her, so who not gonna say she is me attack. Actually, me I say as how my daughter been her back, that's how me girl been her back, and that's how her mother been her back. So me say yo, then love backers. Me not talk about my blood clot daughter. You see it? Me not talk about my daughter. You see me? Well, I understand say yo, what? Like me I say what the fuck? I'm not gonna talk about call CDA and call them. Fuck enough. When I talk about call them. You see me? Come out of my business, man. I live not about my daughter. All day I look for my little daughter. I love my daughter, my first daughter. When I do some video, this is some TikToker out there. I go live and I chat there fuckery. Yo, listen to the video good. I'm gonna put in a video for the ear. I'm gonna hear when I say. You see me? And then I'm gonna put it in a video, I'm gonna hear too as well. This is the video I'm say. One thing, we only can bend and back out. So that's a look back out. That's a rest of back out set, you know. We only can bend. Look. That's why Reds love backers too, you know. We only can bend no back. Because I see my daughter back bend like Mimi girl. That's how Mimi girl bend her back too. They no bend them back and bend their knee. See? Then go so. They have them back straight up. You see me? So that's why I say that. I'm going to call her mother name. I never talk about my daughter. Just because the video catch from my daughter. You see me? Then the next thing, when you hear me talk about me, I cut it. It's not about that video. It's a video about my friend place. They want to get exposed. So I say cut it, but I guess maybe I never hear that part if she cut out this when she talks, they never cut out, because she cut out the video with the place. I go post that video for the ear. I add the full video when I tell us because I go put an emoji, because I don't want to show up with that place. I put an emoji on it and I'm going to hear it. So yeah people, we just done. One thing, we only can bend and back out. So that's a look back out. That's a rest of back out set, you know. We only can bend. Look. My girl. My girl. I don't take crazy back as you know. You see me? Come on man, you're not too bitter out there man. You don't know if you run with. You see me? You have to know if you run with man. That ain't nothing coming at blitz. I mean, I talk about my daughter. I mean, just have the video for my daughter. You see me? The fact that about my daughter back bend just like her mother. One thing, we only can bend and back out. So that's a look back out. That's a reason back out set, you know. We only can bend. Look. That's why I raise
you hear this man say?
Because my daughter back bend like Mimi girl. That's how Mimi girl bend her back too. They don't bend them back and bend their knee, see? Then go so. They have them back straight up. You see me? So that's why I say that. I'm going to call her mother name. They talk about my daughter. Just because the breed up is from my daughter. You see me? Then the next thing, when you hear me talk about me, I cut it. It's not about that video. It's a video about my friend place. They want to get exposed. So I say cut it, but I guess when you never hear about if she cut out this when she talks, they never cut out because she cut out the video with the place. I'm going to post that video for the ear. I add the full video with the rest because I'm going to put an emoji. I'm going to show with that place. I put an emoji on it and I'm going to hear it. So yeah people, we just done. Man, it's wrong, can't be on that's a reason back and set, you know. Look to
and him really anyway, but continue because better you just shut up your mouth.
Boy. Then he said, "Oh, them like back, like, dude, don't open your mouth again, dude. Just don't say another word, dude. Because right now, your whole family just look like y'all just Germans."
Why would you see your daughter bending over and then you go think about her mother? That alone just creepy and disgusting.
The people. So based on his explanation, more I know what other think. You see me I say, me not really say much about the situation because on a level me don't know how to analyze the situation here. What it mean from what it never mean. You see me, because his explanation is that the family of them, like the daughter, the mother and the mother. You see me, that are the grandmother. I saw them when them stoop down or bend them back or whatever. I saw them bend them back like them not bend them knee them. You see me, I said them just bend them back you see me, and then him refer to them about loving backers or whatever. So that part there now, my people, if you read into it, you can read into it two different ways, you know. You see me, I say, if he's a fan of the youth, you can read into it like, no, him not really a talk, say, him daughter forget backers, whatever. Him a talk about them, the family of them loving backers. You see me, I say, because I saw them bend down. You know what I mean? And then me see one next video, like me hear audio on TikTok. I don't know if I have it right now. If I have it, I put in a video. But I don't think I have it. Where like, he must say kiss, some kissing, and then him say suck out my tongue to his daughter. You see me I say, me want know if this in behavior like he would have really weary him daughter, or it's just a naive youth where chat where him just chat so. You know what I mean? You know them type of people they will just chat. You understand, and them don't really think what them must say. Or to tell me for that the type of person they are, we don't have him as a person where we do that to him daughter. And I feel like some people, because the whole CMR thing with him family and Ray and Cmr Bredda with CMR, people just have him certain type of way. So it's like if you slip you slide. You know what I mean? And people can't say things without meaning anything. You understand? Them just say it because it pop up in them and them just say it. But make me know what to think. We are gonna watch some more, my people.
Why you even fantasizing that little girl and backers? Like, why? What?
He wasn't he trying to say, oh, it was the mother?
No, but that shouldn't
He's
even be
lying
your
because
thought.
guess
Even
what?
if you seen
I
daughter
watched
bend
the
over
video,
like
right?
that shouldn't even be
The
your
girl was
thought.
bending over, and then the mother's like, little girl. And the girl was still bending over like that, eating the
Cause
food
she
or whatever
eating,
was
she
on
don't
the
even do
ground.
nothing, she just picking
Whatever
up
was on the ground, she just
thing.
eating the food.
Yeah.
And the mother keep trying to call her after what he said. The mother keep trying to call her to get up. So he's lying.
Yeah, he's
lying.
completely lying. He trying to say, oh, no, it was the mom out of frame, but it was the girl, how her knees were straight. Like, it doesn't make no sense at all. He was
That thought shouldn't even cross. Thought shouldn't even cross your mind.
Can you guys hear
Like, why are
me?
you even looking at the daughter
Yeah, we
like
heard you,
that?
Riley.
First of
We
all,
heard you.
Listen, there's a few, because I've been listening, but my service was down. So there's a few things that we're missing here, right? The first clip, lawyer, is bad and not too bad, right? Terrible. But did you hear in the video that the mom said that she was going to cut it out? So if you were speaking highly of your girlfriends or your wives, whatever the hell she is to you, her bakas, why is it that why did you make that remark that she was going to cut it out? If it's
so
so,
they know.
secondly, there's a second frame, right? I'm gonna make you guys listen to it. There's a second frame where the man literally told the daughter to suck out his tongue.
What?
Yep.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Wait, hang on. Let me see this. Let me play this video and see something what they're talking about.
He said suck. Yeah, listen to it good, but.
Wait, what? Hang on. Let me go back. Hang on. Y'all heard that?
And the baby said, like she was disgusted.
yo, y'all heard that? Yo, the was that the mother?
Yes, the mother was the one that.
And suck out that and the girl.
Because she did it, it seemed like the daughter did it before and she never liked it. That's how kids respond to something they don't like.
No, it wasn't the mom buck that said it. It was the dad. The mom is just a nasty enabler. If you replay it again, yeah. The dad said, suck out dad's tongue. Right.
There's both of them there together, right? He was saying kiss dada,
Disgusting.
and then he kiss dada again, like suck out dada tongue. What? What the? Bro, them CMR family members, Jesus, y'all keep y'all children away from them. That's all I can say.
There's something profoundly wrong with that family, yo.
All the children, because not only the husband and the brother.
To be honest, it sounds like that child's already getting abused. I'm just saying.
Christ. And apparently somebody called CDA, but I don't know. And she was mocking it. She said she went on her live yesterday and she said, call CDA, mocking it.
The child recognized the words and what the actions that go with the words and the person that the action is supposed to go towards, and the child did a negative response to something that they probably
I believe he's already. I believe they're already touching that child, because how you gonna tell that child to suck out that tongue? And the child saying, I'm pulling up. Like, make that shit make sense. And that's what
And he's wondering why he's getting this backlash. There's it's multiple videos. It's not just the Bacchus one. The Bacchus one was so inappropriate. But why would you follow up and tell your daughter to suck out your tongue? Something is wrong with them, y'all. Apparently, you guys can also correct me because this is all hearsay. Apparently, the man was grooming the baby mom too. Apparently, he got her pregnant at 13, 14-year-old. So that's another side of
Wait, so how old is wait. How old is the mother?
Can you guys give me the number? How old is she now?
Yeah, how old is she now?
I was on a live. They said the mom is either between 21 and 23.
And if you look at her profile is a teen mom. She put teen mom in her thing. So they said, I don't know if this is true, guys. You guys can correct me because I'm not always right. They said that he was dealing with her from when she was 13, 14. She's now 19, 20, or 21. Because I think the baby's like 5 or 6 years old.
Jesus. Boy, these thick men.
You see 13. Somebody said 13.
But this is happening a lot, especially in the Caribbean. These men are grooming these little 12, 13-year-old girls from school. Like, this shit is sad.
And I think that's why it's not getting the proper uproar and outrage as it should, because it's so normalized in our community. It's really disgusting.
It's not only the men grooming them, Buck. Some of the mothers are.
Yeah, the mothers are so, remember, these mothers, they're young when this is happening to them, so they don't know better.
Mm-hmm. And if they live in poverty,
exactly.
Big man over there to have money, and he done with that one young girl, then the next go on. Because
exactly.
they see what
these women
I think the consent in Jamaica is too low. I think, 16 years old? That's too low.
But the age of going to change, really. Jamaica laws.
Look at this, right? I always ask that question. I say, look at the people that's making these age of consent laws. Look at them, and that's how you know these people are sick. Because why would you say 16 and send the age of consent for? No, if alcohol is age of 21, why you consent that low age?
Exactly.
People can't vote until they're 18, so why you could consent to other things below 18, huh? Why is that?
It's disgusting. The taxi is taking girls that are 13, 14 years old. And this, oh God. The Don in the garrison wants.
I'm telling you, right? If they do a documentary in the Caribbean, go around to all these schools, right? These secondary schools and all these stuff, right? And follow these young girls and do a documentary. You want to see how much grown men are picking them up from school, leading them around the corner, this and that. It's happening all throughout the islands. And something got to be done because this shit is not getting better.
They said, I think they were 14, the mom, and the dad was 16 when they had the baby. This is crazy. The man said, suck out Dada's tongue, and he's wondering why he's getting the outrage. And the baby said, she knew that was gross.
Want somebody catch her and beat her, and then him throw him in the trench and just seal it up. That's what the two of them want. Exactly.
And apparently when the CMR thing came out, people were saying that she stood up for him too.
Of course.
Because maybe it's something that they knew was true. It's happening just in their household too. So why not go and defend their brother and sister?
Alright, so my people, this is very, like, you know what I mean, it controversial in a way where, like, people are gonna have them opinion and not everybody are gonna share the same opinion, because it have, you know what I mean, two meaning. Like, everything what them a do have two meaning. You see me I say? Because you know them a talk about right now, them a talk about like the kissing part. I think the man just say a while ago, say, yeah, maybe she do it, alright, maybe she do it already. Maybe she do it already, and it's like she not like it. That's why she so disgust. You know what I mean? That's why she what she answer like no, whatever. But people, as me say, there's two meaning. You know what I mean? Like everything what I go on here so have two meaning. More I know if you don't feel like say that youth, yeah, him just chat too much or him capable of doing them things yeah what them a say. You know what I mean? Like type of attitude we him have and the things we him a say. Like if him capable to touch him youth, you know what I mean? Because you what going on my people. See, because the kissing part we him a say kiss that a suck up that a tongue whatever. See, I not do the youth do it already. The youth know say him not supposed to do that. You know what I mean? And it look like say them are some type of people where like them annoy the youth. So the youth was annoyed. That's why the youth, you know what I mean, so like that's the only way the youth make. You see me I say, but as I say people, there's like two meaning to everything. But more want to tell me which side on a lean pan. On a lean pan say boy this youth I just love chat and him say some things without thinking or him a pre him daughter them type of way there. Because when we get from whole heap of things in people like you see man where like would have touch them youth, them not express them type of things here, you know. Them now go do it because that's something where them want keep for people not pre them type of way there. What them do is isolate them youth from people. So what them a do, the youth now go confide in nobody and tell them say boy them a go on with this. But people were so open with them youth and say certain things to them youth, me not think them type of people that are gonna really try to do certain type of things because people are gonna look on it and say, yeah, and all him used to love say Ray and this and that to the youth. You know what I mean? Me not feel say he would have pre them way to him youth and come public and say certain things like that. That's just my opinion still. And me feel like say because Cmr and Bredda and Cmr been through whatever I'm been through with the court system. And I mean them really I use Cmr fat and fry the youth. But make me know what to think me people. You see me I say cause as we say this have two meaning. You know what I mean? But me not lie, TikTok liar and the man where they on the live with her, they make some good point. You know what I mean? In the first half of the situation where would have convince a person say this youth yeah, you know what I mean, attack certain things. But talking it and doing it, you know what I mean? Like him a lie say he mean the way yeah, when a different way he mean it. Seeing but talking and doing are two different things. So more to know, you know what I mean, analyze the whole thing and come to an own conclusion and make me know what to think with people. You see me I say? And in the front of the video when the youth when he Wayne you know, me feel like say him never get the full context of everything. Him just see it and jump and do a video. You see me? And when him talk about the jungle justice thing, people me not like people who pre them way the jungle justice type of way. No, I don't like it. You see jungle justice, I would never support jungle justice unless the person was caught red-handed. You catch that person there do the act. Yeah, that's the only way I will support that. But if I hear say, I will never ever support it. You're mad. You can't put people's life at risk over hearsay. You crazy? You know what I mean? So let me know what to think me people or what some more.
Men sure know how to find enabling women because what are the odds? The brother found a dunce bat and then the other younger brother found an even worse dunce bat. I don't get it. They know how to pick them, boy. They know how to pick them.
Not just the dunce bat. They want something. One way one come on foreign. They said they want a Jamaica, one Chrissy Olbrook. So they dunce and want something materialistic.
But at the sake of your child,
Right.
at the sake of your I don't get that.
A lot of people don't care about their kids. They just have them.
They don't. A lot of them don't. A lot of them don't. That's such a true statement. They just having kids out here.
Just like here in America, people have how many kids to increase their SNAP benefits, increase their apartment income, the money they get to get a bigger apartment. They're not having them because they care. They're having them so they can get more money.
And then they just throw the kids out here, call the dads them deadbeats, and not knowing that they're the deadbeat ones. It's just a sad world we living in. That's all I know.
But
And you hear people bunning out Batman, and these are the subjects that we really should be using our platforms and talking about. You don't hear them talking about a damn thing.
They're not going to talk about it because know what they're going to do? They're going to go up there and they're going to protect them. A lot of women I watch on this app protect these men that's assaulting and abusing a lot of women in this real world we living in. They go up there and they protect them. And these women that's protecting them, they have children. They have children and they're out here protecting these men. And I don't understand it. I really don't. You watch on many of these platforms, they're protecting them. And the same people that have children go on those same platforms and they support them protecting them.
Sever crave. Jaden oughta other do for call the data sever crave when you think about it. It's true. Jaden is very disrespectful for true, and you have every reason for going to your feelings. You have every reason for going to your feelings because nobody now go and sit down on the upper ear of man and call them picnic sever crave. No, I will not understand the meaning, it just sound wrong, it sound deplorable in a way. And you're supposed to go up in your feelings. And anybody when I say, you know, you're supposed to go up in your feelings, Annie. And at one time, I can't class you. You're supposed to go up in your feelings. You tell Jaden, say, you know, run joke, and you might take a joke too far. Jaden is my friend. You understand me, but me gonna talk the truth. You tell Jaden, say, I take a joke too far, which is true. You understand me? And then if you now back your picnic, who is going to back your kids? You have to stand up and be a mother. And I understand it hurts you when Jaden call your daughter Sever Crave. Because you and I and Jaden know so your daughter is not Sever Crave. And you might give her such a high class name. Your daughter is a dog shit. You know, Jaden too out to order. You should call your daughter Magat. But you might give her Sever Crave. People order from Sever Crave. Some understand your hurt, Annie. And Jaden take a joke too far. He might take a joke too far. Then your daughter could have been anything else and look on your teeth right in your belly. And the whole of your belly bottom thing. So you explain the truth to me now, my sweetheart. Jaden too damn out to add about Sever Crave. And you know you picking them a dog shit because they don't have the last name. Remember I pay a jacket you have in up Spencer's tailoring. I pay a jacket you have and Jaden and I pop you picking them before. You look how long you want but you picking them in a shit. Jaden damn disrespectful for true. I'm a friend and I can't tell him the truth. Now get any picking them the high class name. The lady earth over it. Leptospirosis, come here. Termites, where you going? Ah, Jesus, watch a cockroach, yeah? Come that shop for me. I'm gonna fly there. Come that shop. Yeah? And pick them up, I'll start a name where you want chemical to get rid of. So I don't know nothing I talk about. All when I prank, I don't care. And you cuss over Sever Crave. Eh? You think them get too much high class name, my baby. Me need 4 Yeah. Me don't know this dog shit about woman before you go fret about your breath. Cause every time you pull it, you know say that older they grow up and that older the Annie thinking mouth is our best friend. I never see you so she I pressure now raise now like how she was Jaden, like how Jaden give you picnic high class name and it hurt you. And you should have called Sever Crave, though. Whatever you want, favor Colonel. Little more you can say you pick them a KFC and burger and people. Hey Annie, moving on Annie. Hey big old woman, move.
My people, you know, I'll know me get the meaning behind this where the lion man call Mika. I'll know me get the meaning behind it, you know, my people. You see me, I say, what you mean by it when him say that? Because me not see nothing wrong with it, you know. You see me? Unless, you see me, I say, there, boy, people, me no know. Me ask the people them to tell me in the comment section what he mean when him say that. But I know nobody not say nothing. Where, you know, nobody not say nothing you would have to say. Is it a one person that say, it's a food delivery thing? Me don't know that already. You understand? Me just feel like say Mika just did need to shed some tears because he's a girl who love that youth there. You see me I say, and maybe the dog knock it, maybe not, because me no feel like say Mika come tell like upon her something. You see me? The dog should have never knock it if him knock it. You know why? Him no want her and she love him, she need him. And that's how much she love him, she need him. You know what I mean? So if him knock it, him should have never knock it, because the only when you knock it, you know you just gonna make she open her feelings in the most ways. And you can mother her out too.
Oh, can when you so 100 you break thing. Eh? Then I went till you reach 100 now and we can't stand up near you. You just buck up on Zozo like Zozo soon put out Britney because the medication make Britney too calm. Britney not beg with him. The medication make Britney too calm. Then you can imagine Zozo turn on the phone and Britney don't know what going on. Choose you under the medication. That's how the medication be quiet, yo. Yeah. Good body what? Him put her out already. Then Britney make Zozo put her out. And Zozo not no store. And Britney really so. Hey, she really so coming now. You don't know Britney under the Kakarama, come on, you there. We stay bad flowers. Yeah? You don't know Britney under the pill. You don't know Britney under the pill. You don't know that. Yesterday he did. Then you know hear Anna Redansa course because they want to make a series like their mother and Jaden. Anna Redansa course. Redance too sexy for Anna. Redance me not in a lie. If you did black, my nipple them would have stiff up half of you. If you did black. Me say Redance you have a piece of worthless, nah make no money, can't make no money, nah go look no work, ever hungry walk. It's sexy, it's sexy, it's sexy. Me tell you say broke man turn me on in a Redance. Anyhow you never have the period complexion. Me look here right away, me take you. Me say the boy have a piece of careless, dirty boy, nah go look no work. Not even if you give him an old vehicle for run taxi, you get your right money. I say, why you looking at it? Turn me on, it turn me on. Me not like, me don't know it. Me don't know how far me ever reach in a life if I continue to take them money, you know. But them money do something to me nature. Me say when you dance and walk, him a walk like him would bigger than body tight. I saw him a walk in, you know, like you would bigger your body tight. Me say him stiff. But sexy with it, me nah lie. I see why Anna no leave. And him not in a no clothes because him clothes them little bit and old pan in them favor mechanic shop. But me I tell you, I don't know where I come from, but I'd follow him. I would follow him. I kid you not. No, I don't say Winnie. We're Winnie there. I Winnie she get out of anything, you know. Miss Shebada, good morning. Morning, my baby. No man, if Redance did ever block Anna, you wouldn't have a daddy to call for your baby. Yeah, you would never. Me don't know if Martina wash out stay no time underwear. I don't know how Martina reach it. He must have wash out shit stain. Yeah, Redance come from club. Then Redance just got club. Redance want fix up though. Redance look good. Redance want one girl up for the app to fix him up. Any other girl up for the app fix up Redance. Me nah like Anna your pum pum nobody tight to him body. Yeah, you start call you big old girl. Yeah. I just little help him man. Where is Kiva the diva? What? My shirt just wet on the railing. Kumar, come here. Come here. Kumar. Kumar. A piece of resurrection. You go on with a while going on. Hey. I hate Kumar. Auntie Shibi, are you and Derek together? Me a suck Derek. Go suck out your mama out here. Me give you one chance now, no only conversation with me. Go suck your mother before my block you. Here, me not come for all argument with no picnic. Go suck your mama. You hear about Mika, of course me hear about Mika. When you not talk about Cmr Bredda, you know, she said one in her family. Chrissy, you can't either one you under makeup. Your man have a family problem. Them eat when them grow and grow when them eat. Your man have a family problem. Cmr Bredda. You hear but you can't blame Cmr Bredda. Where is Jakes? In there calling a breed. Sorry, me I come the people. I'm going to say something unprecedented, and this is a lesson for a lot of you guys. I'm going to say something unprecedented. You say Cmr brother and Cmr. I don't have a problem with their behavior. I really don't. I don't have a problem with their behavior. As much as though it's leaning towards a baby or a child, I don't have a problem with their behavior. I really don't. You know who I have a problem with? The females who skin out for them mania dig out. I have a problem with those females. And I know it's not after pregnancy when they discover their behavior, when they discover it during girlfriend and boyfriend. I don't have a problem with these men behavior. I have a problem with the entire.
Hey, my people. I want to tell you what I think about the Cmr Bredda situation. Me want to tell me if you feel like say because Cmr did go through him, them are go so hard pan in Bredda. See? Alright, so I want to talk about the Anna and Reddan's situation. It's clear Anna not really in a Reddan's league when it come to choice a woman where him would have choose in a demo time, because him have a thing feel like woman will have them things. That's how it look to me. You see me I say? And you would have said, boy, him and Anna just in a like them would have they around each other for the longest while now, and it develop in a something where him never wanted to develop in a, right? Maybe right now him decide say, oh, I share the woman for him certain way, although him did not tell her say it over, whatever. Maybe him not have no option why him stay around, because she can make him not work and him have things, right? But as far as me see it, cause what do you hear them talk on the live, him and she, I think yesterday when them kick off, Anna say like him tell her say she can stay at the place, because at the moment when him and Anna did meet and talk and something, Anna and Annie never dey on no good terms. So right there, so Anna did a look somewhere, and I saw him end up at Reddan's yard, and them did it for the longest while, because him say, yo, him don't want to put her out because him feel her pain, whatever. And she stayed there until it looked like say them develop him develop feelings for her because she did don't love him off already. See? So right now, it kinda hard to get rid of her because them lucky in you know. You see me I say? And on a level me people me can understand the situation there. And me can say if ever red ants get an opportunity to talk to a woman who have her things certain way, me feel like say I go left Anna in a drop off a dime. But I can be wrong still, you know. But that's just my opinion. You understand me I say? So let me know what you think me people. Cause me see a video with the dog, you know. I walk and a girl say I go take a dog from Anna, you know. Dog look like a hot boy for real, you know, my people. So that make me more I say him really not in a Anna league, although nobody no more than nobody. We are all human beings. But you know what I mean, some people have the characteristics we can push them further than some when it comes to looks. Let me know what you think.
Entertainers. You see the enablers, and them have a problem with. I need to remember put something in the suitcase for me. It's true, because me now gonna know say a man is like this. I'll open up my foot and give him and then turn on and have a problem with him. I even feel ashamed. I don't have a problem with them. I don't have a problem because if I never for them females here, we wouldn't know say them have that problem. So if them females they make we know say them have that problem here, where them female they are doing them? Come on somebody. Children are the future and them are hook it off. We don't care if you want to be held accountable. Lady, let me tell you this. You can't blame your picnic for born with asthma. So stop chat shit and move your big hole and way. You now woman, you now come use on a gender. And that's about you still need go suck your mother and go take somebody with sense and smart. Some are on a breed for madman, some are on a breed for some sick people and want to change them and on a medication. Go suck on a mother and sicker than them. Go suck on a mother. On the two out of order. A female make man do them something here. Uno open on the foot to anybody and anything. Yeah. No, it's not every party wrong. It's not every party wrong. And not until you start look upon life as it is. You cannot tell me, say, if me is an alcoholic, you can't come to me and say stop. If it's a smoker, you can't come to me and say, before you're there with you, you have to stop smoking. Don't there with me. Don't there with me. Una like hear this, una females not like hear this. But me there phone today. Me there phone today. The people them born with them own a demon. You know the man have a demon. Una go like this is not an aftermath, you know. This is not a surprise school, you know. This is going in a relationship long time go suck on a mother. Oh. This is going in a relationship long time. Young tycoon may be a far. One thing though, you gotta send me the art them. I love you. Yeah. This is going long time. Long time. Me now ask you know, the whole always sit down and say them justify the Cmr and the Chrissy case. Oh, they are persons who don't trouble people. You never know that? You see, females don't blame the man them for treating like shit or embarrass with their own demons. When uno open on a foot, it never based on gunpoint, it never based on nothing at all, no threat never saying. Uno open on a foot. Now my thing is this. You want the two parties to share accountability. Don't. And you carry the weight, and you shame, and you have the baby, and you shame. The man can't go out there, so. and sex somebody else and don't know, and the world don't know say him breed you, and you keep your mouth shut, you never come out and make awareness. Though you ever keep your mouth shut and shame in a private. So you want to tell them take accountability? Or you want to tell them take accountability? You have to take accountability for yourself. Enough time on the look on yourself and say, Father God, we don't know why my brother bring that pick me here, why me never dash them way. Enough time. The accountability is due. If you never lay down too early, you won't have that problem here. Shut your shit. Shut your shit. When I like take accountability, when I love open enough food, not because she lay down with him don't mean he shouldn't get the blame. He did it. And of course, we never say we not blame him. We never say we not blame him, but on a personal level, I cannot blame a man for his illness. How can I cuss a man for his illness? Lady, you're madder than the man. How me go cuss a man for his illness? Remember, no fun not take madman. No fun to breed for madman. Then you really go cuss a man for his illness. That's sickness. You not go like a 7 crave. Kiss daddy. You know see that video, the kiss daddy, suck out daddy tongue. I want to keep saying about the girl young and naive. You see, them something about my class on a nastiness. When it comes to a particular gender, on a justify. When it comes to a particular gender, on a justify. The man don't listen. When you find somebody who just can't help but thief, it's a demon, it's a sickness. Now we know how we open up to demons. No, open up to demon. You see, this is when your catch is desperate and you have to in a relationship because you don't know how to stay single and quiet. You have to in a relationship. This is the prime example. On a pick something, on a pick shit. I never know. The little girl was young and naive. Young and wish naive. She know what she are going on. All of we did young and naive. All of we were born in a sin and shape in an iniquity. We have to worm our way out. All of we. So me don't know who not justify. We don't want the man look away. The man alone can't look away. We no woman love take. We no walk and suck any cocky. Una techie. Some of una girl no sue herself for other man. Una sue herself for a set a man. Some of we born in some community we never take a boy on the main. We take a boy in the 4 corners of our community. We have 3 baby fathers in a one. Come go suck on a mother. Go nyam out on a dirty old woman.
I mean,
Hold on, me so what you back.
go on and come.
Look for blood clot, me boy ready for go join army. War go on, look for me.
Look for me, look up belly chap.
War go on and you go come tell me boy, you look ready to blood clot me, Ain't go kick me down over so. Miss Triple. You know say me not rate you again cause you not talk the truth.
With what?
But one time you did plan to cancel me 2 your week.
What me not talking truth, say
You not
Pops?
talk the truth, Miss Triple, and me not like it. You not talk the truth, Miss Triple, and me not like it. Me not like hypocrite or sit, Miss
What me
Triple.
not talking truth,
Yes.
say?
Miss Triple, remember say me no need TikTok, you know me and one boy no need the app.
What me not talking truth, say Pops?
A big house me buying and me name me no no TikTok do it
Tell
now.
me
Me
what me
fat them
not
so I
talking
do it.
truth, say?
Hans family, Miss Triple. Yes, the Hans family. Me need to ask you say, boy, it up now run like how it run again. Cause one time if you did say Dean or Do, it off it up. Why can't tap now?
What me fi says? What me fi stop? What?
My people, you see, sometimes you have to mind what you are saying. Because sometimes you even give yourself without, you know what I mean, realizing, you know. So, this little conversation with Pops YG and Miss Triple, it can be an innocent conversation still, you know, or a conversation that is, what would I say, that was made just for entertainment. You see me? But if you are going to read into that conversation, yeah, it deep, without understanding how deep this is, You see what Pops YG said to Miss Triple about Annie and her family? It's giving gatekeepers. You see me? I say it's giving the person I don't like him. So we are going to take him down off we are going to do all we can not to make them be successful on TikTok. We are going to make them fade away. And then, if you're a person who did a pre-TikTok long time, and you see the exchange between Joshua from the soap factory and Miss Triple, you're going to say, Jano, so okay. So, them only let in who them want let in. I'm here, I think Shebada, I'm here with a conversation one at a time, I said, boy, these people on TikTok, them try to get to read everybody way up and coming because they want to be the only person on TikTok. And on a level, my people, me being outside looking in, and me I go to my opinion, if me I go just put it away, if me at a job, seeing, and me I make the right amount of money where me want to make, me not go and left that job there. And when new people come on the job where have the potential to take away my job, guess what me I go do? Me I go try my best to keep my job. So you don't know what that mean. You see me I say? But on a level, I just want to tell more the thing because as me say about the last situation with Cmr Bredda, there's two ways you can view this. So tell me how to view it. Or what some more.
If you stop, what? Alright. What is it that you want me to stop?
Miss Triple, I don't want to see them for me for you.
So me have the power to get them off?
It just big and careless. Miss Triple, may I tell you the truth, me at 22 years and first me ever know say one woman can have so much girl baby. Me never know say one woman could have so much pitney. Me know say at least pitney one woman could have a 4 one time. Me never know have so much.
How much are you?
You know see all of them just up in a blue. It come like a more half dozen. You know see?
How much shot?
Jesus, Miss Triple, you really ask me I tell you now. You know see it? 6 boy, 4 girl, how much that?
No God so, I know some more.
One of me chat.
3 girls, 4 girls, 2 boys.
Miss Triple and more 4 girl. You have a look ugly one. You have Mika, you have a bald one. You have one next little one. Miss Triple, come on, Miss Triple. Me know you're smarter than that. Big Miss Triple are big disgrace on TikTok.
That's 6 fitness she have. I don't know why.
Miss Triple.
Triple chart.
So, Miss Triple, to look bad there and la breed there one another. So red hands, nothing pitney.
What you mean?
Red hands.
Red hands the different place with fever. Red hands have son. That red hands they want different place.
So no fitness. No red hands breed any family.
Red hands breed Anna.
No any daughter.
Yeah.
Then Miss Triple, what you gonna tell me say? Me not tell her say 10 picking in honey have. Honey how much Miss Triple?
Red hands are name Pitney. Red hands Anya. Listen to me and I'll mix me up, Guys, use a triple chat.
Jesus Christ. So a jacket then?
Who a jacket?
You look a young baby. May I ask you?
No, I don't. What the Pops?
So you did that when them have sex, you know, say on a jacket? Thank you, Jesus. You know, get up. Father God, thank you, Jesus. Me not get up. I make them a little young girl chick me and go breed no careless girl. Make my mother chop off the head. Make me mother chop off my head. Miss Triple then careless, you know. Talk it truth, Miss Triple. Me know you know want to get in a mix up. So I could done it. Me know you know want to get, and me know you know in it. Cause you know TikTok now run like one time. Sorry, Miss Triple. Reddan's family and so no sorry. Top up your screen chat. Me sorry. I'm sorry. Me never mean to say so, Miss Triple. Here. Miss Triple, them a go come for me, you know. Remember me did say me sorry. You hear?
And that if you know said they coming for you.
Yes, them a go come for me and something. But they see me down a jobbers party and they know say me have my money. But they can't say nothing about me because me not there on TikTok every day. Tops and roses chat. Miss Triple, them big and careless. You need to talk the truth. Miss Triple, you know when this morning me a wipe out my house, Miss Triple. And like, me put him at this and he drop in the dirt. And put it back in the water. I saw your family of them dirty.
Jesus.
Miss Triple, why them a make so much money and then me not see them in no good clothes.
Hold on. So alright. So you said this to Annie?
Yeah.
You tell this to Annie?
No, me and you make you reach Annie now.
No, me and you they do nothing. Why you don't tell Annie live every day? Why you don't add her or say it to her?
Miss Triple, you hear me? You know what me not tell Annie? Look where me teeth them. Them are spoiled already. Me don't want to go over there and next thing you go eat. Whole start growing on me teeth the next day. Me don't want to catch a disease. You understand?
Almighty God.
Me don't want Miss Triple, me don't want me teeth them start boil. Cause I look like it is a curse. Next thing me go over there and scream with Annie. Go talk. Me get up a man in a hole in my teeth. Would I feel ashamed?
Leave Annie now.
No, Miss Triple, no. Me not like see them. You not help me bring them down.
Where me help you bring them down?
You afraid I ain't driver.
Miss Triple, you afraid of Annie?
I ain't driver, I ain't afraid of Aki.
Miss Triple, me there. Are you afraid of
everybody at this point?
Miss Triple, me know who you afraid of, you know. Aki Walk.
Who is Aki Walk?
Yeah. Oh, you don't know. The one that Annie picking them. You don't know Aki Walk. Jesus Christ.
People, you see that conversation here? The conversation here telling on such a level where someone don't really understand, you know. It telling like you see life and people who are trying to make it in a life, like people where them not have no big top family and them way them not come from a wealthy family. It show you the things them where them have to go through most of the time when them are try and make it in a life. And you are people. Me not say Pops and triple argument, a serious argument, and then mean what them attack say, because I don't know how me take TikTok and them conversation and everything. Me have it as just entertainment, but this is a teachable moment where me can do without showing some life like reality. So watch you know. You see in life, sometimes you feel like say the man with up on the roadside or the man with the beside you don't want you make it in a life. You see me I say, yeah, them maybe no want you make it, them want make it before you. You see me I say, but you know who really no want you make it in a life most of the time? The man them with the top, the woman man them with the top. We make it in a life already, them no want to see ghetto youths no for the time break the curse and elevate them life and reach somewhere in a life and start show up at the places them with them there. Them no want to see you in the car with them inner or a better car than with them inner. Them don't want to see you at the restaurants where them go. Them no want to see you at the bar them where them go. Them don't want to see you in a supermarket and full up your trolley. Them don't want to see you buy nice clothes for yourself. Them don't want to see you fix up your house. May I tell you that? You see me I say? But as me say me have these TikTok things as entertainment, but me can't no give on the life, the reality all tight. You see me? So let me know what you think. We'll watch some more.
Guys, Miss Triple don't know Akiwa. They have all kind of names.
Son.
Eh?
His son.
God, I don't know if I son or Miss Triple, how you debate your 6 week in the Annie Ava, you don't know Akiwa.
So, driver, so I'm not afraid of what. Listen to me. Rest me.
Oh God, Miss Triple them big and Kelly still, you know. Oh God. No, Miss Triple, me I see it by my phone. Me say me look at sister scroll, me I say, Lord God, don't go back.
So you know in detail so much if you're not tap and watch it.
But not tell us I'm going to Jabba's play while I see them, Miss Triple, man. Because Jabba's, they don't book me film party, so. Chewy me and did a text me every minute and I say you want to pay me if you come down there. But you see Chewy ma doing thing, Miss Triple and him just something up in bar. Me is a youth, me like so when other youth are try. So I'm going to go spend my money. Me not take no money from him, Miss Triple, and just pull up down there and go spend my money. Boy, 2 bucks clients and easy back, Miss Triple. You know what they want there, Miss Triple? You know when you look out for one another, Miss Triple? Every minute me can come turn upside on me. Miss Triple. Me 7 grade.
Leave
Miss Triple are true. Every minute he can turn upside on me. Miss Triple, who you see I got a big old club in a tights? In a 3 bills tights, down a ton tights. Miss Triple, me not like them. And they know say me a hot boy and me a hype boy for real. Miss Triple, the girl I want near. Miss Triple, the girl I want near me half white shoes in the way I scanning. You know I'm tights, you know.
But all you know is that listen to me. Leave that.
You know me now a serious thing. Miss Triple, you see through me hear them a talk say me more think and me see them did and them a drink off on my table. Poor them no know say me buy Hennessy them did up on the table. Cause Miss Triple you see when me go to strip hypeness me a deal with. And me 3 security them tell up them Miss Triple and me know no pussy test. You want to see a little girl that come up on me Miss Triple like I'm a new man. But me and him could never match. Cause 2 big mouth can't go make one. Me and him could never match.
Jaden say a lie I tell. Use a triple chat.
Oh Jaden, if you say a lie me I tell. You alright, Miss Triple, me so hard, I go call TJ. Hold on, me could play that one now. Me done the mix up.
That's why we win this chat. Use the triple, me could go back. Use the triple, me team. Use the triple chat. When I not doing no start some money guns focus on some chat, cause boy me I tell you. It's rough.
You rough with you, Miss Triple, you rough.
Use the triple chats.
Miss Triple, you rough. Say it again, Miss Triple. Annie, Miss Triple say rough. So you know, say gone bad. He gone bad with you, Annie.
You are whoever they whisper if you leave people them alone.
He gone bad. Yo, you never see a girl that come up near me, Jabby, talk it truth.
7th grade.
Down there.
A 7th grade.
You little one with the tattoo, that's a Jabby. Like, Miss Triple, see me? Miss Triple, see me? See me, I got Miss Triple and I want to look body like. But Miss Triple, poor him no know say hypeness me a deal. Like I want me to see. Me I say, but look on this a little girl. Like I want me to see. Me I say, me not me must. I little one there. Akiwa. But me not know them.
What is hyping to your pops? What is hype?
Akiwa kaya driver. Me not never say. Remember me no know.
What is hyping?
Miss Triple, listen up. Remember me I do young for me young age, you know. Yeah man, Miss Triple, remember me I do young, you know, take one little 21-year-old for buy a house. For their little young age. And go through so much. And go through so much in her life. And in the media make me buy a house. Me just proud of myself.
So you buy a house. You own your house.
And everybody know me flood the house now show you. I light the gas pan and run out. Remember I have insurance pan, you know. So no, remember say me no kill this like a boy, me not even want to say nothing make you feel like me a disrespect you. Remember make sure love. Miss Triple done. Cause remember say me not really understand the words mean and nah. Me no want to say nothing like you last time. Make you feel like me a disrespect. You know what I mean?
Talk man, talk.
No man, me done yard. Just done yard, rest yard. You last matches and we gone. And me circle you tomorrow. And me see you know want to bring down them, you know. You afraid of them? Yeah. You look like a
Not about afraid, but if the girl don't like when people call her so, not call her so.
But Miss Chip me there ask you what is 7 crane? Hold on. Me I go ask. Miss Chip, hold on. We need to play one more. Me I go ask. One look a smart box when me buy off of Amazon. What them box your name again, Miss Chip? What them box your name again? Me not even
Alexa.
Oh, hey Alexa. Hey Alexa, who is Aki Walk on TikTok? What's the crap?
Actually connect it to the internet.
Why, Miss Triple? Hey Alexa, what is 7 crane?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat your calculation?
Pops, you're not even gonna call the word Pops, not the name 7 crane.
You call it. No, something name 7 crane like call it. So you say it, Miss Triple, make your back start. We are find out what is 7 crane.
Pops, stop calling the girl so she don't like it. Stop.
Hey Alexa, who is 7 crane on TikTok?
I not the name 7 crane.
Frakes runs the popular TikTok and Instagram accounts at 7th grade _chronicles where he frequently shares random questions he asks his students along with their hilarious
Miss Triple, you understand this? How would this ya? Jesus Christ. Transmission.
Some people, that clippings you wanna see, I don't know if they recognize the person in the clip, but a Vibes Cartel son. So the man stay from over film house and a spy on them youth them over feed them house. You see me I say and people that make me just say blows and skirt man if you have money, you know. Because most of the time when a son or daughter, when children move out of their parents' house, you see me I say them gone a college or them get a job way over so or them gone a foreign, so you can't really see them. You see me I say, but look on this, the man come from where him come from, forward buy a house and buy a next house across from him for him youth them. If any little thing him can know if them alright or not. You see me I say, when your youth left gone to college or left gone get a job somewhere else away from you, you don't know what go on with them. You can keep tabs on them right there, so although them are big enough youth, we have sense and know what to do and what not to do. You see me I say, so this just me look, me see this me people, because I regular watch the IG, you know what I mean? But me say, you know, me have to share this because this just, me never have the word for explain, you know what I mean? But it's such a good feeling to know, say boy, you can left out of the situation where you're in and come buy a mansion for yourself and buy a one for your youth them just over there, so. And you can even shout and say, yo, Ray. I even zoom them up like a Vibes Cartel I do, on him camera. And spy on them look a bit. I know say them good over there, so. You see me? So, let me know all the thing, my people.